Hi, this is Abhishek. Every agent framework today asks you to trust the agent. Agent trust flips that it is the layer that makes an agent behavior verifiable, not by taking its word for it, but by giving every agent a cryptography, identity, explicit permissions, and independent audit trail, and a trust score anchored on a public blockchain where anyone can check it. This isn't a mock up. Everything I am about to show you is a real system running right now, real database, a real two judge AI panel, and real transaction landing on Solana DevNet. It's go end to end. And let me register an agent. Registering an agent isn't just giving the it's a name. Look at the permission lists. 8 resources: file system, terminal, GitHub, database, email, cloud, browser, wallet. Every single one default to deny. Nothing is implicitly trusted. I have to explicitly say this agent may touch the file system or it can't. I will allow file system access and terminal conditional, meaning it's allowed by flag for the review and denied database outreach. And that's it. Real requests hit our gateway through to identity service into Postgres. The agent now has a DID and a stored permission set, as you can see here. This is the agent profile. The gauge is the trust score. Yes, is a start at the zero for every new agent because trust here isn't asserted, it's earned through actual audit behavior. Below it, the exact permission I set, allow, conditional, denied, matching what I done. Now let's make this agent actually do something. And I'm telling this agent to read a file up from a file system action which I allowed. Watch what happened when I hit run. That decision allow wasn't hard coded. It went through a policy engine, a separate service that pulled this exact in agent real stored permission and evaluated the request agent against them live. If I would ask it to touch the database instead, look what happened. Is denied. It's denied. Same pipeline, different resources, different real answer because that's what actually is stored for this agent. And here is the more system fake, and we don't. Every action that isn't denied gets sent right now in the background. No click required to a real two judge panel, not a script pretending to a judge. Two actual independent LLM models call a safety judge asking, could this cause harm? And a quality judge asks, is this a legitimate, well formed request? Both had to agree pass for this to count as a clean pass. You can see their actual reasoning right here. One safety judge and one quality judge generated fresh for this exact action, not a canned response. If they can disagree or either one can flag low confidence, the score doesn't move. It stored provisional exact like a real audit committee would. And look at the top for the trust level is 3. It moved from zero to whatever the panel decided live. Because what just happened? Every audit get hashed, which is stored here. That is string here. A real SHA 256 has of judge verdicts and the action itself that has and a new trust score are being written right now on to a Solana program on DevNet. But here is the actual security model, not just it's on a blockchain. That right isn't authorized by one key blockchain service control alone. It's authorized by two of three multi-sig and two automated hot signer key both have to approve, which they just did in the background with zero human clicking anything. And the third cold recovery key exists purely for disaster recovery. It's never used for routine writes if either hot sync were ever compromised alone. It can move anything by itself. And here I will click on verify on soul scan, and there is a real transaction on a real public ledger that anyone, not just me, not just this app, can go and verify independently. The trust score you saw update a moment here isn't just in our database, it's probable. Just few 3 minutes and 23 seconds back. Now come to back to the our dashboard, and this is what it look like across every agent. uh, I have assigned each with its own live trust score, each independent auditable the same way. To be clear about what's real here, every service you saw, identity, policy, execution, audit, and blockchain anchoring its own independent service with its own database. The two judge panel makes genuine model calls. The multisig is a real squad vault on a real Solana DevNet, not a simulation. This is what accountable autonomous AI infrastructure actually looks like. Two, when you build the verification layer first instead of bolting it on after. Thank you.